25 years ago, as Ivan Gaylor flew over the Amazon with his daughter, he saw rainforests burning. Entire sections of lush forest had been torched, cut down and cleared away for timber, agriculture, and oil. The sight brought him to tears. One of the world's last great ecosystems was disappearing before his eyes. At that moment, Ivan decided to act. If not me, then who, he asked himself. Nature and Culture International was born of that question. If not me, then who? 20 years later, Nature and Culture International has protected more than 15 million acres of tropical forests and biodiverse ecosystems in South America and Mexico.
There is a lot of endemic species unique that only grow in this area.
Ecuador is about the size of Colorado, and it has 70% more bird species than all of North America. These ecosystems are packed. They are so biodiverse.
We work with some indigenous communities. Shuar are the native Amazon people from the south region of Ecuador. And we started doing some activities that could provide profit to avoid logging or activities that could be negative to the environment.
Las capacitaciones que nos han venido dando han sido muy importantes porque si ellos agarran y nos dicen acá hay un dinero efectivo, quizás lo gastamos y se acaba todo, pero lo que nos han dejado esas capacitaciones se quedan en la mente de cada uno de nosotros y así venga quien venga, nadie nos va a poder quitar esas capacitaciones que hemos aprendido. Las mujeres, los niños, los hombres luchamos por una sola causa y esa causa es para dejarles un ambiente sano y saludable a nuestros hijos y por qué no decir a los hijos de nuestros hijos.
Lo que ellos ahora están haciendo resume el pensamiento del fundador de NSI, ¿no? Iván Gaylor, que dice que este es el mejor momento para ser conservacionista, ¿no? Y es lo que aquí podemos ver, ¿no? Que si no hacemos algo ahora, en este momento, esto se puede perder y en algunos pocos años ya no tener nada. Entonces ahora la idea es asegurar la conservación de los bosques y del páramo.
It's going away so fast that I think we have to do triage on what we save.
There's been a number thrown out for the last handful of years that we've got anywhere from 10 to 20 years left. Nobody knows exactly what that means, but I think it's pretty clear to those of us involved in the work that with each passing day that we don't expand our efforts, things are lost. This work might be the most valuable thing any of us can do. We want to have a safe world, we want to have a thriving world, and we want to have a beautiful world.
My vision for the future is in 20 years we can look back and feel confident that we did everything we could to save those critical ecosystems not for just the people living there, but for all of us.